This is a week with my locks. What's up, my healed tribe? Before we get to this video, you gonna already like this video, so go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. But make sure that you subscribe and you comment, because I want to hear your voices. I want to hear what more videos y'all want to see from me. Make sure you comment. Even if you comment where you from. Comment where you tuning in from, okay? Why should you get locks? It saves you time. You do not always have to be in a rush to go get your hair done. You don't always have to go get your hair done. Right now, I am 10 weeks without a retwist. It's been 10 weeks, okay? You give your hair a break. You give yourself a break from always having to do your hair. I mean, it depends on the person though. Some people want, that always freshly look. If you like me and you okay with, your roots growing out a bit, you don't always have to go get your hair done. It gives your hair a break. The second, you don't have to spend all that money getting your hair done. I don't know about men, because men, y'all get a haircut, $50. It's not that much to get your locks done. You can either learn it for yourself, and that's what I do. I learned how to do locks. I used to be a loctician. I used to do people's locks. So I know about doing my own hair. Or you can pay somebody. And you can find somebody real good for $55, and they do real good work. Plus a style probably round up to $75. That ain't nothing if you going 2 months without getting your hair done. You save money, honey. You don't got to worry about spending $800. Because I know when I was wearing wigs, y'all, I was spending at least $800 a month to get my hair done. The hair itself was about $500 for a couple bundles. Hell, the beautician, she charging about $400 to $500 install it for you. I mean, I have saved tremendous amount of money not having to pay every month to get my hair done. I just get up and go. I'll wet my hair, spritz my hair, and I get up and go. The third reason why you should consider getting locks, because it eliminates breakage. Well, you always consistently on your hair, you're always touching your hair, and you're always doing something to your hair. That contributes to friction in your hair, and it breaks your hair. If you have thin hair, this will help eliminate the breakage, and your hair won't break as much. I barely see any hair breaking because it's going inside the locks, and your hair is growing. It's growing. It helps your hair grow out. So if you have real thin hair, and sometimes you might have a condition which you can heal from herbs. You heard it from me. You can heal the alopecia. If you fast and you take herbs, you can heal that. When people have alopecia, it just means you have a lot of acid on your scalp, and it just needs to come out. If you have real thin hair, I have seen people with thin hair, they get locks and their hair is just full and it's thriving. Locks can really help your hair grow out. It's a great reason why people get locks, or why you should get locks. It will help your hair grow out. And it's cute. Locks are so cute, y'all. Especially if you can put it in different styles. Even if you do want to wear your wigs, you can braid your locks down and throw that wig on your head, and you still got locks underneath that wig. Locks are really cute. I love my locks. I love them so much. And the best thing on why you should get locks is because you love yourself more. I know I can speak from experience. You love your true, authentic self more, because if you are always changing up your hairstyle with different people's hairs and wigs, you don't know who you are anymore. You can't look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am beautiful with my hair or without it. It helps you love yourself. It builds your self-esteem up. It builds your confidence up. Because when I first got my locks, and I put a picture in here, it was about this small, these little small, all over my head, and I was so self-conscious about them. Eventually, I just said, bump it, they're gonna grow out, and I just started wearing my hair out more. I just loved it. These are the reasons why you should get locks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you consider these reasons, and if you do get locked up, comment comment. Let me know if I change your mind about getting locks. I hope you get them, and I hope you thrive, and just abundance just pour your way. I'm just thankful for y'all. But like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.